What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to your Ethereum update today, in which we are going to be taking a look at what I usually take a look at, the news and the price of Ethereum, right? So if there's any news, we'll talk about it. There's no real news around it right now. There's some news about the crypto markets or just in general developments in the crypto markets. We'll talk about that. But apart from that, we will talk about the price. So kind of what happened since yesterday. Yesterday was pretty bullish. Today was pretty bearish, as we all know. And what's most likely to happen next. So welcome if you're interested in that. I do this daily, so subscribe if you want to see that. But for now, if you take a look at Ethereum, I mean, as you can see, we're down about 8%. That looks like a lot, but yesterday we were up with about 8%. It's just a kind of a setback, but still this was, I still see this as bullish because the price did actually go there. We erased sell limits, we erased like blocks of sell orders, which is only good for the future because that means in theory that you will be able to get back to these levels a little bit more easily. Volume has went up by a little bit. It's pretty high. It's not as high as Bitcoin relatively seen. So that's an important, that's at least an interesting development to see. But apart from that, yeah, let's actually take a look at the price. I mean, the main news in the crypto market was just the fact that it seems like we had a bull trap throughout the whole crypto market, and that almost all cryptos were actually bullish. You have some exceptions such as Quant and Reserve Rights who have some very bullish fundamentals, but apart from that, most cryptos fell, as you can see in the top 100 at least. If you take a look at Ethereum specifically, what you can see is that yesterday after the video, I did think we would drop down, but yeah, I mean, we reached my price target at around 1400. As you can see, we reached 1400. But after that, I thought we would kind of consolidate between 1325 and 1400. Maybe with one more drop down to 1275, but I have to adjust that because in reality, we hit 1400 and now we've dropped down to those same levels. And to me, it just seems like that was, as I said, a bull trap. So that it was fake bullish momentum. So what I expect is that we'll just continue in this consolidation for the rest of September, not for that long. And then somewhere in the beginning of October, I think we'll see some more bullish momentum that we'll be able to get up to 1400 and to 1500. But before that, as I said, I do expect us to consolidate on top of kind of 1275. But there's a good chance that we'll drop down to that 1200, 1250 level too. I wouldn't be too worried about that because I think we're going to hold that level. So in the end, it doesn't make that much of a difference, but still it's more bullish than what I expected yesterday, right? I mean, it's not way more bearish, I meant to say. It's not way more bearish, but it's at least significantly bearish, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this update. But still, as I said yesterday in the video about Ethereum, we also went over the previous Octobers and Novembers of crypto. Last 3 years, they were always bullish. That doesn't necessarily have to mean that they are this year too, given the macroeconomic circumstances, but still I do think we got a good chance of at least getting some sort of a relief rally. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.